lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make turmeric oil for your skin and also for your hair. Using turmeric on your skin will help your skin to glow and also eradicate any acne, pimples. It has a lot of skin beneficial properties, and when it comes to the hair also, it helps improve hair growth and also for hair retention. So if you're looking forward to grow your hair longer, I think turmeric oil here will also help you in aiding growing your hair. So we start by needing an empty bowl, and I'm going to need my measuring spoon and my turmeric powder. Don't worry if you don't have turmeric powder, but you can get access to the roots of the turmeric. You can also still use it. Yes, but before we start with the video, please don't forget to subscribe. If today is your first time, give me a thumbs up and also to share to your friends. So I'm going ahead to scoop 2 spoonfuls of my turmeric. As you can see some of the roots in my turmeric. That's what I'm talking about in my body. That is okay. So I'm going ahead to need my extra virgin olive oil. You know, olive oil is good for the skin and also helps smoothing the skin as well, and has a good properties, minerals as well for your hair. So if you want to have much length retention, try adding olive oil to your hair growth regimen. So I'm going to measure 4 spoonfuls and make sure you stir it very well, depending on the quantity that you want. So as you can see, continue stirring it to be well and proper mixed. Sorry that I'm using my measuring spoon. Actually, there's nothing wrong with it though. So alright, so I'm going to set it aside. Then bring an empty bowl. We're going to do the double boiler method. I'm going to bring hot water here in order not to kill all the properties from the turmeric and the olive oil. That is the extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to use the double boiler method. That is a much way better in keeping or retaining the nutrients in the oil and in the turmeric. Alright, so I'm going to stir it off and on for about 20 minutes. You leave it in for 20 minutes, then we come back to it. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes and my oil is ready. So now I need an empty glass jar, a funnel and a strainer. So I'm going to strain this. Alright, so go ahead, stir it slowly to allow the oil to strain out into the funnel. Okay guys, so this is the final result of the oil. You can use a cheesecloth to strain it if you want to, not to allow any residue to come on the oil. So this is my oil. You can apply this as a face moisturizer before you go and take your shower, or a skin moisturizer. And also you can use this in your hair regimen as a deep condition or as a pre-poo or hot oil treatment. We've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new video.